Affiliate marketing as a form of online marketing is continually evolving. It definitely is not the same as it was 5, not to mention 10 years ago. So, how to stay ahead of the competition under such intense conditions? The answer is simple: by being in the know. Even though we consume so much information every day on social media, reading good old books is still the best way to develop new ideas and learn new perspectives on such a fast-changing area as marketing. Books make you focus and put all the distractions, away. In today's fast-paced environment, it's no easy feat. However, when you overcome your FOMO and stay focused on the book, your life can significantly improve. No wonder Warren Buffett considers reading at least 500 pages a day as a key, or one of the keys, to his success. Below, you will find a list of our top 5 affiliate marketing books guaranteed to help you grow in this industry. These books are suitable for both managers and affiliate marketers. Number 1, Affiliate Marketing, Secrets by Chandler Wright. It begins with the definition and covers industry trends and tips. In the book, the author speaks the truth about what it takes to become an affiliate marketer. The great thing about this volume is that it requires no previous knowledge in affiliate marketing and will answer the difficult question: to affiliate market or not to affiliate market? Hint: to affiliate market. Affiliate Marketing, Secrets is one of the best affiliate marketing books as it combines basics, common examples, essential tools and answers the question how to achieve $10,000 a month. The moment you learn the basics of affiliate marketing from this book, you are good to go. Number 2. The Complete Guide to Affiliate Marketing on the Web by Bruce C. Brown. If you have not yet begun your adventure in affiliate marketing simply because you still need some more information, this affiliate marketing book deserves checking out. It will help you master affiliate marketing by developing the foundation step by step. This work will help you figure out how to master the science and the art behind affiliate marketing in no time, and what's more, you can do this in mere hours. By investing a few dollars, you can increase the number of your site visitors and boost your sales. If you want to drive some serious traffic to your website, there's no better way to do it than affiliate marketing. And since payment is made only when the sale is made, your affiliate marketing dollars are being utilized more effectively than some other advertising methods. With the help of this affiliate marketing book, you will gain knowledge of the 6 steps to a successful campaign. The steps include keyword research, the software needed, copy editing, analysis of performance, setting up and implementation, ROI, and finally, reporting. Number 3. Affiliate Marketing, The Beginner's Step-by-Step Guide by Kevin Elliner. Not only does this book offer you tips and strategies on how to start your business, but it also gives you the knowledge and skills required to understand online marketing. Affiliate Marketing, The Beginner's Step-by-Step Guide will teach you the process of becoming an affiliate marketer and how to prosper in it. The main points discussed in this book include the definition of affiliate marketing, the benefits associated with it, as well as common mistakes beginner affiliate marketers tend to make, etc. It will teach you how to kickstart affiliate marketing. But don't take our word for it, trust the 4.5-star rating on Amazon and start your journey to affiliate marketing. This book will not be that useful for experienced affiliate marketers, it's more of a beginner's guide. Number 4. From Nothing by Ian Pribble. Ian Pribble tackled the online business when he was a 16-year-old boy. And even at such a young age, he saw the internet as a path to independence. His book From Nothing is the ultimate guide to starting your affiliate marketing course, bolstered by the author's extensive knowledge and guidance. If your website or blog is failing and all hope is lost, this book can be a game changer. Even though the book does not focus entirely on affiliate marketing, the author explains, if you want to build any of those businesses, monetize a blog, an affiliate marketing business, etc., you need to learn how to market on the internet. It is natural to assume the more you pay to learn any skill, in online marketing, the more valuable the information. This book proves that is not true. When valuable information is delivered by a person with a genuine passion for helping people succeed, it takes the experience to a whole new level. This book may not be for everyone, but if you are interested in learning online marketing, this book is for you. Bill Mattis, Amazon Reviewer, Number 5. Deep Work: Rules for Focused Success in a Distracted World, hardcover by Cal Newport. This book is about the ability to focus without interruption. It is a skill that allows you to quickly ace complex data and provide better outcomes in a short period. Deep work will help you improve what you do and give the feeling of true satisfaction that arises from craftsmanship. Thus, deep work resembles a superpower in the competitive economy of our time. You see, many people have lost the ability to dive deep by going through their days in social media and email blur without ever realizing that there are still better ways. Cal Newport's book is divided into two sections. The first puts forth the case that developing a thorough work ethic will deliver considerable advantages in practically any profession. The author presents a rigorous training routine consisting of 4 rules for altering your habits and mind to help this skill. Deep work will take you on a journey through meaningful and unforgettable stories, a blend of social analysis, and significant guidance. This book is the ultimate guide for anybody looking for highly focused success in this distracted and occupied world.